Okay, so in class we're going to go over this information and we'll do a little activity about it, so I just wanted to go over it with you. Now, I know you guys can read, so I'm not going to read everything on here, but this is just a general overview of the star data. You have that PowerPoint, you can take your time to go through it on your own. But the reason we do our review this way is so you know what things are going to be heavily hit on the STAR test. So linear functions, 37% of the STAR test, and it goes through all the different types of things we've done with linear functions. Systems of equations and inequalities is 15% of the STAR test, so that kind of ties in with linear equations, but you would just have two at a time. Make sure to know the inequalities as well, so when there's going to be a dashed or a solid line and which side to shade. Quadratic functions is worth 20% of your test. That's where we have to factor, where we have to find the solutions when it crosses the x-axis. Now, what I want you to do is divide your paper into 5 sections. I've already created a table on here, and then I just want you to write a few things you know about each section. So whatever you remember that stands out about linear functions, whatever you remember that stands out about systems of equations and inequalities, quadratic equations, exponential functions, and simplifying expressions. We're doing this in class as a discussion, but it's going to be kind of difficult for us to have a discussion online. So just post what you have written, attach that file, and I'll see what you remember and see what we need to review. That is it for our videos for today. I hope these were helpful, and this was your intro to the Blitz.